Hello everyone, good morning. So we just woke up. It's 9 in the morning today. And yeah, wait lang. Today wala namang ganap, but we'll just stay here at home with my baby. Okay. Hello baby. How's your sleep? How's your sleep? Good. Good. Oh, Hindi ka pa gutom? Yes. So, ako maglilinis na din ako ng kama. Wake up kami ng mga around 5 a.m. Yeah, because someone called. But, kumain ako ng konti kasi nagutom ako. After that one, natulog kami ulit and 9 na kami nagising. Si daddy woke up. Hindi na siya natulog. And mga like 7:30, umalis na siya going to work. So, yeah, I'll fix things here. And then, I'll check for my parcel because the DJI na meron tayo. Kasi my hands is so like sweaty. Kaya sabi ko baka malaglag ko. Excited na pa naman kami sa trip namin this weekend. We are going to Quebec and Montreal. We'll stay 2 days in Quebec and in Montreal 1 day. So that's a total of 4 days road trip with my baby. Daddy will not be with us. So just with the sisters and some friends. So, tara! Alright! So, after this, let's try to go upstairs kung andun na ang ating parcel. But before that, let's check Saki. You okay? Still okay. Okay. Mommy will come back, okay? Wait for mommy. Wow, ang init today. And, ang init nga. Oh my gosh. Look at our garden. May mga tubo na pero hindi pa naman nila kinukuha. Just trying to see if andyan na. Ay, nandito na. And here it is. Yeah. It's mine. Oh yeah. Nasa basement kasi kami. Sa basement kasi kami nakatira. So, unbox natin ito mamaya. Okay. So, let's go. Zaki boy. Can mommy get you? Wow. Guys. How are you? How are you? I love you. I love you, baby. I love you. Oy. Paano? Eh. Dami muta, oh. Morning star. Wow. Ano kaya sinasabi ng baby ko? My baby is so sweet. Oh, Diyos. Hot juice. Hot juice. Why are you laughing? You're kicking mommy. Oh. Hey, you look closely. 1, 2, 3. Mali! Sumama yung puwet. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! My baby boy! My baby boy is about to sit now. Last. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Wow! You're still 3 months. Bago lang. What are you doing? Oh no! Baka mabigla na lang kami ni Daddy. Nakaupo ka na. We're done. Okay. Okay guys, so now I will let him sleep and eat, and then yun lang ginagawa namin dito, and then mag-aayos na naman ako, and then yung pagliligpitan ko yung mga kalat doon sa shower room niya. Actually that's an extra room, kaya nakita nyo medyo madaming gamit, tinatambak namin lahat ng mga gamit doon. Sometimes doon na natutulog si ate. Guys, so currently it's already like 7 p.m. and like the whole time I was not able to put Zach kasi nagpapa-carry siya while he's sleeping. Look at that! Naughty boy! So yan, nagpapakarga siya while sleeping. And hindi ko siya nalagay ngayon lang. As in, I really woke him up na. Ako na talaga gumising sa kanya. Kasi papunta na ang tita niya. Visit sa kanya after 2 days. Ha ha ha. Oy! Strong. So papunta si tita niya dito. And magbi-visit sa kanya, tapos hahatid siya ni Daddy ngayong gabi, pauwi sa kanila, kasi hindi pa niya off, kasi pag off niya dito siya natutulog. Gusto niya si Zaki, siya nag-aalaga kay Zaki, tapos yun. So yun lang, and then after yun mag-antay namin si Daddy, tapos kami di dinner, tapos hahatid niya si ate, and
aray ko naman, huwag mo naman akong pahirapan. Pinahirapan na ako ng mga pasyente ko ngayon, B. Hindi mabait ka naman na kliyente, uy. Wait lang ba? Ay, wow! Ano, eat? You wanna eat? Ito na, ito na. Try lang ba? Ewan ko sa'yo. You wanna carry? You wanna carry? Hala. Ay, bakit parang nag-leak ang tae mo, B?
huh? As in?
Ay, sorry.
Kakalagay ko lang yan
Kumain ko siya nung kinerit ko siya.
Too much? Pang malaki na yung tae niya, no?
Very ew!
Thank you so much for watching our vlog and we hope that you enjoy. Thank you for subscribing and sharing this. Thank you so much for always waiting for Zacky's milestone. Thank you guys. And like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para naman updated kayo sa aking mga videos. Have a wonderful day and bye-bye!